Meanwhile, in a top secret location, the project continues to bring back to life this 3D printer. And you better believe it, I'm documenting the entire process here on my YouTube channel.
Do I look like I'm gonna post it on YouTube?
So be sure to like and subscribe so that you see all new videos that are being released, milking every single possible detail to bring this printer back to life. Now where were we? Oh yes, testing has now begun, and as you can see, this is a 3D printer in the wild, a finicky and unpredictable beast, and this is the first time we will try to home all of the axes. You know, with these wild 3D printers, the first time you turn them on, you never really know which way the motors are going to move the axis. As you can see, the limit switch spotted on the min X direction. Let's watch now, as you can send the G28 to home all the axis, but there's one more axis yet to see.
Wait. No. Wait.
Last video, I spent an excruciating amount of time printing a single part for the X carriage. So naturally, I made another one because I had so much fun the first 10 times I made it. I promise, I make other stuff here.
Well, stay tuned. I'm working on some stuff.
I noticed some slight vibrations when the carriage moved, so I went ahead and added some reinforcements to the part. Finally, with that installed, I can move on to the things I wanted to do with this printer, and that is installing the electronics. I decided to go with the BTT SKR3 board with TMC 2209 stepper drivers, a 24 volt power supply, and the BTT TFT 35 E3 V 3.0.1 touchscreen. Just your typical 3D printing electronics. Now, to install the TMC 2209 stepper drivers to your SKR3, it's super easy and requires the removal of all of the jumpers except for one. Now keep this single jumper as shown and be sure to plug in your stepper driver with the correct orientation. The pins on your stepper driver should match the pins labeled on your board. Also, one side is red and the other is black, and this makes things super easy to line everything up. Now that we got our TMC 2209s all plugged in and ready to go, please enjoy the back of my hand as I plug in the rest of the components on my 3D printer. I pretty much made record timing plugging everything in. I was surprised at how easy it was. Nothing could slow me down. Except for flashing this board. The SKR3 has a blinking light to indicate the firmware is getting flashed to the board, and the first couple of times I inserted the micro SD card, absolutely nothing. Then I remembered to reformat the SD card, and it took me longer than I'm proud of to think of that solution. Come on, Mitchell, you're better than that. Then the TFT screen refused to turn on, and I was just about to send this screen back to the China sweatshop it came from.
What we've achieved today is nothing.
When all of a sudden, after one attempt, I had signs of life. The project now takes an electric turn. Something had to be done with the mess of wires everywhere. But what? Can our hero now summon his great intelligence and come up with a solution to fix the messy wires? As you can see, I got everything up and running on the 3D printer. All of the electronics are nicely mounted to the frame of the 3D printer, and I used ASA-CF for all of the prints that I had printed to house the electronics, and I really like how everything turned out. I think, fingers crossed, by next video, I should now be focusing on a major upgrade to this 3D printer. No hints now, okay? Alright, fine, you got me. The BLT sensor still isn't installed. And the fan still isn't attached? What are we doing here?
Wait, what?
Thank you all for watching this video. Be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss one of my videos. Check out the links which are listed in the description of this video. I thank you all for watching and hope your 3D printing turns out awesome.